In this video, we're going to look at the cage for the Blackmagic 6K Pro G2 and the full frame L-mount camera. We're also going to look at the base and mid kit and the optional AB6 audio adapter. The cage form-fits to the camera body, leaving the right side open so you can access your camera controls, media slot, and battery on the bottom. On the bottom of the camera, we have two 1/4-20s that hold the camera in place, as well as two locating pins to prevent it from twisting side to side. On top, we have an additional 1/4-20, and in this configuration with the L-mount camera, the 1/4-20's in the back, but for the G2 and the Pro, the 1/4-20 would be up front. The side of the cage features 1/4-20 and 3/8 mounting points with area accessory pins and M4x20 holes. We also have a 15mm rod opening with an accessory rod installed that has a hot shoe. Also on the side is an HDMI and USB lock. And not every cable is the same size, so we've included adapter sleeves. This cable has about a 9mm thickness, so we'll add our 9mm adapter. That just snaps in, and this is retained, so if you're not using a cable, it won't fall out, but it can be removed with a little bit of force. We'll align our HDMI, drop that in, and then tighten the thumb screw. The top of the cage has an Arca Swiss standard dovetail clamp, as well as 1/4-20 and 3/8 mounting points and M4x20 holes. We have a sideways 15mm opening, clamping an additional accessory rod. An optional item for the cage is the AB6 XLR adapter, and that attaches to the sideways 15mm accessory rod. We'll align the 1/4-20 with the threaded hole on the rod and use a 4mm Allen wrench. Once that's locked on, we can slide this into the clamp and lock it down. Then we'll route our cable behind the top plate in front of the EVF and then down the side. We'll tuck this behind the HDMI clamp and then lock this onto the camera body. Then we can take this cable excess and just simply wind it up on the rod itself. On the bottom, we have a lens adapter support system, so you can choose a small, medium, or large post, install it into the foot of your lens adapter, and then clamp this screw to keep it in place. This is the base kit with the optional AB6 add-on. We're going to install our Arca Swiss handle into the top plate. Slide it in, all the way forward, and then lock the thumb screw. In this position, we can adjust our viewfinder. We can install the included baseline 15mm lightweight onto the bottom of the cage using the Arca Swiss dovetail. Slide it in from the back, then lock the side thumb screw. To release the included airy dovetail on the bottom, unlock the other side thumb screw, push the safety button, and then lift straight off. To reinstall, drop down, wait for the click, adjust your position, and then lock the thumb screw. The mid kit includes the previous items, plus we've added a 15mm rod clamp to the top handle, and we've added two 15mm rods that are 9 inches long, and these are held at the correct distance from the center of the lens. We've also added an Arca top plate, which can be installed in place of the handle. Unlock, slide out, and install the top plate. This is great for attaching to a drone or a gimbal. These products are available now at MID49.com.